Hello, good afternoon. Introducing myself, I'm going to start by saying that my name is Mr. Jose Garcia-Villar, and I teach at Mott Village Preparatory High School in the South Bronx. I teach Earth and Space Science, and I also teach an elective called Gaming Math. My initial thoughts and expectations before we started the workshop or the classes was that I thought it would be helpful for my students to learn study skills for them to use in their everyday learning in not only my class, but in every other class. And my expectation was that my students will learn practical study skills so that they could be able to apply them and do better in school and in life in general. That the program is very powerful, it's very efficient, and it covers a specific skills that some of them we have used in school. We call them part of our protocol, like the Cornell notes. We've touched on those, but there are other ones like math making and other ones that I can remember at the top of my head that are very useful for the kids and that they could use in other classes for taking notes, study for exams, and things like that. Based on my experience, I will highly recommend other schools to implement the workshop because there are study skills, 21st century, and skills that the kids will use it to be successful in their educational journey, but also they will carry those skills, when they graduate. I personally use those skills, and my professors in college taught me some of those skills. So they'll never go away. Like you will see them again and again. And if the kids have an understanding of them now, they're familiar with that, it'll be easier for them to digest those skills when they are taking a college course or a training or whatever.